I am developing mobile applications for a salon that is Pihu Makeup Studio, and here is the mobile app. This is a simple mobile application where every salon struggling with their website. So many websites are there for salons, but they don't have regular customers to book their salons related services. So I made a booking applications for Pihu Makeup Studio, and those have already website, but the thing is their website is not optimal for regular customers booking. You can easily book your services, your makeup related, your party makeup, haircut, hair coloring, facial, all the services with date and time. You can easily book on WhatsApp directly. I build it for easily customers can book their beauty on app, and every offer, every services, everything in this included. This is the fast version of mobile application. Then it will improve so much day by day, time to time. I will upgrade and I will update this. Just I show you, I have built this, and it will be useful for Pihu Makeup Studios customers, and they can easily book their beauty, their hair spa, everything, any related, with pricing, with services, with timing, everything.